Welcome to Next Gen Mansions. In this video, we're going to explore a beautiful and cozy teeny home that looks like it came from a dream. Everything inside is soft, stylish, and designed with love. If you enjoy cute modern spaces, this tour will definitely inspire you. As we walk into the home, the first thing we explore the structure. The walls, the couch, the light, and even the decoration are all in different soft pink shades. It feels warm, happy, and peaceful like stepping into a storybook house. On the ground floor, we see the kitchen first. Even though the space is small, it has everything you need an oven, stove, microwave, fridge, and cabinets. Everything is neat and clean. The counters are organized with cooking tools, fruit, and pink towel hanging by the oven. The silver fridge and white cabinets given a modern and fresh look. Next to the kitchen is living room. This area has soft pink couch with fluffy pillows and furry pink rug on the floor. In front of the couch is a small table set up for breakfast. On the table there are plates, glasses of juice, flowers, and some fruit. Everything matches in color and style. It's perfect for relaxing or having a cozy meal with a friend. On the above, the couch is large window showing the green trees outside. It lets in natural light and makes the space feel bigger and brighter. There are also TV on the wall placed just right so you can watch it from the couch or the bed upstairs. Behind the living room, there is a bathroom with a glass door. It's small but everything like a shower, sink, and washing machine. There are also a basket with towels. The bathroom looks clean, bright, and easy to use. Now let's talk about the stairs. They are white and glowing with pink light. The lights are built into each step, making it look like staircase from the future. The stairs lead us to the loft, which is a bedroom upstairs. The loft bedroom is simple and beautiful. Their cozy bed with pink sheet and pillows, a glass railing,